Hi, today we're going to talk about this item right here, Brilliant Ideas 8-inch LED ring light. Now I've done videos with 9 inches and 10 inches, 8 inches probably a couple maybe, but this is a bit lower from size-wise. It's still a great starter item, and basically I'm going to be unboxing this and also putting it together just to give you an idea how it looks like. Now, some of the features about this item is that it's ultra bright, eco-friendly LEDs, has 3 color temperatures, has 10 brightness levels, and there's a metal tripod stand and an inline controller included, and is USB operated, meaning that its power is from USB. So you'll need an adapter for your wall jack, or use your laptop or a computer desktop that actually has a USB for power. So before I unbox and put this together, if you can hit the subscribe button on the screen, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to build on my subscriber base. And I look forward to hearing your comments. If I've added value, please hit the like button. So let's begin. So let's unbox this. And while I'm unboxing, basically what I'll do is I'm going to unbox this, put this together, share with you the pricing on this, and also at the same time, near the end, just give you my perspective of the item. So this is the back of the box. And in the side of the box. Basically, the 8-inch desktop ring light gives off a bright, even glow, perfect for vloggers and social media influencers. It's a necessary tool to create dynamic video content or take selfies and group photos with ease. This lamp is both portable and customizable, and a wide selection of light intensity and color settings. Basically, this item is not bad, especially if you're doing a lot of traveling on an airplane. So in this box, you have your ring light, which is your 8-inch ring light right here. And then the power is from a USB. You also have your remote, as you can see. So on the bottom here is the red. That's your power for on and off. Your minus for your different brightness, and your plus for the increased brightness, and the mode is in between there. There's 3 modes. There's a warm white, and a warm yellow from when I'm looking at it. But of course, you can actually use this term in different ways. Sometimes you can just say high, medium, and low brightness level. So, or modes. So let's do this. This is your ring light. And then right here, I'm opening this, is the tripod head. Now this is the thing that actually holds everything together. So your tripod and then your ring light on top. So if you notice this, there's this screw here. The screw is the screw to screw it, to hold it in place or to loosen it. So I'm going to take the ring light, the 8-inch ring light. If you notice there's a gold opening here, I'm going to screw this tripod head as the base under the ring light base. So as you can see, it's already screwed in there. Now let's just say if I want to change the position from its current straight up position, I just loosen this grip with this thing, and I can actually roll it forward, roll it backward, sideways. See, so that's basically what the benefit of having that is for. So let's go ahead and grip it back tightly. And then now let's look at the tripod legs. So that's your tripod leg. It's pretty simple. You just have to open it up. I've seen some other ones where once you open it, all three of them actually opens up, but this one is more individual. This is metal. I also want to point that out. And then I'm going to screw the tripod legs onto the bottom base of the tripod head. So let's go ahead and screw that in. Now remember, this is 8-inch ring light. So this is very, very portable because it's not that big. So if you're doing like a lot of traveling or you're in a car or tight spaces, this is very, very ideal. Okay, so it's in there, tripod leg. So I'm going to just place it here. So you can take a look at it. There we go. All right. So there you go, your ring light and your tripod legs. And then what we have here now is your tripod that will go on to the ring light is your, that one came off. It's your phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. And then your phone holder is this piece right here. Normally they'll come separately, but this one came together. But I do have to tighten the screw. So basically, what is the point of the screw? So the screw is actually to hold it in place so it stays still. If you loosen it, you can actually tilt it either direction and then screw it back to have a certain direction that you want your phone to be looking at. So this is a stretchable, as you can see there. So I'm going to stick my old iPhone in there. This is how it looks like right there. Okay, I'm going to remove the iPhones for a better view. So the uniqueness of this is it's 8 inches for the ring light, and this will go on top of the ring light and not inside the ring light. So let me just slide it in on top. So as you can see, it's quite hard. I'm actually going to just put this below. So there's a sliding area here. You're going to slide the square on the bottom base of the phone holder stand and just slide it in. And once you slide it in, you're going to screw it because there's a little turning point. And once you screw it, you're going to screw it tight. So there you go. I'm going to turn that down. So you're going to have your phone there. I'll leave the phone there. Your 8-inch ring light and then your tripod on the bottom. So this is great, and it's portable, it's customizable. Once again, in the box is your ring light, collapsible metal tripod, inline remote, phone mount, USB power cable. Now, how much does this cost? Now, this item right here, if you were to get it, regular price, probably like $25. But if you go to like Ross, TJ Maxx, or Home Goods, or Marshalls, maybe like $16.99, $16 to $17. So that's kind of like the price point there. Now, would I get this? My feedback would be, I would use this because of the portability, as it mentioned on the box, is that I can take this up on a plane, put it in my backpack that goes under the plane seat or on the luggage, because it's really small and I can just pop it out anytime I need to use it. Now, one of the drawbacks that I kind of question is having the phone holder on top, as you can see right here, on top. A lot of the previous ones that I've done, they're always in the center. Now, I think on top has its benefits too, as you know, the phone can actually look down or up, and it's actually from a different perspective than if you were to have it viewing from the center. But for me, I kind of prefer a bit more in the center. I know that having in the center sometimes may block some of the light, but I'm kind of used to that. And currently with my setup right now in home, I actually have the light on top. But if I were in a plane, I would definitely use this item. It's very small and portable, but I may also want to preference one that has a phone holder in the center of the ring light instead of above it. So that's just me. Let me know if you have this product, what you think. Do you like the phone holder on top, or do you prefer it on the center, like a lot of the other ring lights that are out there? So yeah, leave me some comments. So let me just go ahead and power this up so I can actually show you guys. Kind of like the finished product. Once again, if I've added value, definitely do subscribe. I always welcome new subscribers, and I'm looking to build up my subscriber base. I do make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is a USB. Let's plug it into the wall jack. You notice that your remote lights up. So that's your on and off. Click on it. Now it's on. So I would say this is probably like my, from a mode standpoint, probably like my white. Now I'm going to go to my mode, which is in between the decrease and plus increase light levels. And I'm going to click it. Now I think this one is kind of like your warm white to me. That's how I feel it. And it's just like the warm yellow. Actually, this is the warm white, I would say. This is the warm yellow. So once again, there's the warm yellow, the white, and then the warm yellow. So let me just decrease it with this mode right here, the white. Let me just decrease the levels by 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, the brightness went down. Let's increase the brightness by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. As I said, this is a very unique product. I like how the ring light is very portable and small, and at the same time, you know, the phone holder is on top. I would have a preference in the center, but I think the reason why they also put it on top is because the ring light is quite small. It's 8-inch, so having an iPhone will definitely get in the way of the ring light. So all in all, I think this is a great starter. It's great to do vlogs, cosmetics, hair products, hair design. Let me know if you have this product, if you used it. Leave me some comments. Hit the like button if I've added value. And also, subscribe to my channel if you would like, as I'm looking to build up my subscriber base. Thank you. And I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays.